Welcome to Looking at Legal Stuff. Today we have a quick hearing to transfer a woman's case because the prosecutor has decided to upgrade her charges to a felony after she was accused of stealing luggage at the airport. She doesn't seem that worried about the charges, but she does go on a bizarre rant about identity theft that the judge promises to ask the prosecutor about if she'll just calm down and listen already. Let's watch.
Um, who is this? Miss Lovett?
Yes.
Miss Lovett? So, ma'am, your case was transferred to Superior Court. It's being prosecuted as a felony. When you
What?
get,
Oh, it was trespass. They what? I didn't do anything.
Okay, I get that, ma'am, but the prosecutor has reviewed the case and they're sending it to be prosecuted upstairs. What will happen is you will have the opportunity to have another arraignment upstairs, and they will appoint an attorney to you upstairs, okay?
But I listen. I've been here 5 months. This is the first time I see a judge.
Well, you're seeing me now, but I don't know how long it'll be before you have the arraignment judge upstairs.
I never seen no one. Today is the first day in 5 months. And my release was January 7th. I was supposed to leave then. And they running my cards here and my New York State food stamp cards. They using my accounts and my phones. So
Okay,
I'm not.
so you
look. I came from here to go to FBI, so they could have I haven't heard from them this summer. They stole my information years ago with these psychiatrists, Fry and Beck. I don't have no history of no kind of criminal background, no psych, or none of that. And I was in the airport, and they stole my cards and took a Walker card. A Walker card was in New York. I found it. I never used it, but I know it's coming from. It's coming to my account. They're using M right here. They stole another $1,300 right before I got here, and this Officer Gomez. They're using my account with Chase with brand new cars, and I'm paying the tickets. They took another four.
all right. So, Miss Lovett.
I'm here. Look, I have not been outside 3 times for 4.5 months, like 10 days. The 5 months, they locking me down. They giving my information, my food, my money, my stuff to every psych person or anybody on medication, and my mental card was stolen. And they using the same cops is giving my information for their friends. The sheriff had stole my stuff in Douglasville, and I didn't even live here. This is my market that has my name on it. My money that comes to my account that's stolen. My tic-tac-toe.
Miss Lovett, need you to calm down for Miss Lovett. Miss Lovett. Miss Lovett, I can't explain to you what this says if you're not gonna calm down, okay?
No, because I'm being treated. Look at my hair. I came here with a full hair of hair. Now somebody operating and
Lovett, calm down. Talk to me.
I got big old stuff.
But I need you to calm down because I can't understand what you're saying. Okay?
All right.
The last time you were supposed to come up, they wouldn't bring you up because you were so agitated. Now just calm. Okay. Miss Lovett. Miss Lovett.
I haven't listened.
Miss Lovett. What part of New York you from?
Brooklyn.
Me too.
Born in Brooklyn, and they keep chasing my life.
Okay, Miss Lovett, talk to me. All right? Born and raised, Kings County. So listen to me. Okay? Now, what they are saying, now before you talk, let me explain what's going on, and then you can tell me what the problem is, okay? Mm-hmm. They're saying that you were at the airport and there was a Delta Airlines passengers that had baggage. The baggage was taken from the airport, which is a felony, and that the baggage was in your possession.
Right, but I slept over because I was waiting for someone for the bag. I didn't walk out the out the airport. I was still there overnight, and they wanted me to sign a trespassing ticket, and
I
I
got
said
you.
no because they didn't
Okay.
sign. They didn't. They
Okay.
didn't.
Okay. How did you fly in that day?
No, that was somebody else. This is my brother's is Douglas Lovett. That's the same bag that I'm waiting for. I told somebody, listen, I said, somebody's coming to pick the bag. I'm coming back. This is the day before. I went out a couple of hours. I came back. I waited. I stayed out there. No cop said nothing. I stayed overnight. And that morning, now, the same woman in travel, my
Okay.
cars is being run for every brand new car on my account that comes
Okay.
in that
All
same,
right.
and I
So
have,
this is what needs to happen. This case is going to be transferred, but we're also going to let them know that you may have been the victim of a identity theft. And
okay,
they have, wait, listen to me. They have investigators in the DA's office who will investigate that because it's connected to this case. So if you're a victim of identity theft, they can't prosecute you if you're not the right
right,
person.
because this is why I
I
came back
got you.
down here
But
from,
but
right,
what I'm saying is we got to let them know this, okay?
no,
So
no,
now
they do, because listen, I came back from New York,
Miss Lovett,
yeah,
Miss Lovett,
because the
Miss
FBI
Lovett.
had my information.
Okay, okay, Miss Lovett, calm down, calm down.
I
Okay,
am the victim of identity theft, and they know it. They keep anything of mine. You give me birthdays, they change my social in Third Avenue in Brooklyn,
okay.
510
So,
Atlantic.
but
They
but
change
Miss
it.
Lovett, we're gonna get this cleared up. But I'm gonna need you to calm down and go back with the sheriff, okay? Let me figure out who needs to have the information that you gave
Okay,
me, okay?
they stole another number,
I got you, but hold on.
like
Don't give me
516.
everything right. Hold on. Don't give me everything until I get the right person who needs to have all of this information, okay?
Okay, so what you have to look back on January 7th. They came to the cell.
I got you. I remember that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna find out who needs to hear all of this, okay?
Yeah, it's in DeKalb.
No, they can
FBI.
wait.
Yeah.
I know, so I can get them on that identity theft. All right, go back with Deputy Whitson for me. All right, next on the calendar is Rose.